today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious kiwi cake recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need kiwis, 2 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 1 pack of graham crackers, and 6 tablespoons of butter. We're going to melt the butter completely in the microwave. We're going to crush the graham crackers into the food processor. Crush the graham crackers very finely. We're going to pour the graham crackers into a bowl. Add the melted butter and mix completely. In a parchment paper lined cake pan, we're going to line the bottom with the graham crackers and press them down until they become hard. We're going to place this in the fridge while we make our filling. We're going to peel all of our kiwis. We're going to slice half of our kiwis into half circles. We're going to dice the remaining half of our kiwis. We're going to whip the heavy cream until it starts to froth. Add in the sugar and continue to whip until soft streaks form. Now we're going to gently fold in our cream cheese. Add in the diced kiwis. In a bowl, we're going to add our unflavored gelatin and half a cup of water, and we're going to mix until there's no lumps left. We're going to add the gelatin mixture to the filling. We're going to line the side of our cake pan with the sliced kiwis. We're going to pour in our filling and spread out evenly. Decorate the top with the remaining sliced kiwis. Place this in the fridge overnight. Our no-bake kiwi cake is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.